Hey YouTube, Abdel Carfix. I want to show you a trick on those springs. This is a Honda 2014 Honda Civic. Boy, oh boy, so hard to do these springs, to pull them, and they keep popping back and forth. So it's the way to do it, guys. Put a C-clamp on it. Don't make it too tight. Just put a C-clamp on it like that, and you can pull that spring without having any trouble. It was easy as simple. So just put a C-clamp, just barely hold it. Don't put too much tension. You don't want to damage the shoes. And then you can pull the spring, the big spring. That's the hard one to get. And it'll make it easy and simple to pull it and not have it, because it keeps moving. Every time you pull, it keeps moving, popping up. But that's the way to do it, guys. If you have a trouble with those springs on those rear brake shoes, this is the way to go. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.